Hello student, in this video we talk about how to create an intro video for your project, right? So first we import our media file, right? And then click on the titles, and in titles you go to the titles, and in titles you go to the openers, right? Openers mean the opening video clips, right? So here you see many intro video styles, and from here you click to download, and then I choose that, and then I drag and drop here, right? No, I play it. So I want to edit this intro for my video, right? So I click select it, titles, right, and edit it. So my video title is install Filmora, right? So I write it, and from here I select it, and then I edit it, Filmora 13 course, right? And now from here I want to resize it. The size is increase or decrease from here, right? So I want to increase the size. No, I want to decrease it. Again decrease it to the 80, right? You also increase or decrease the size of the fonts from here, right? And from here I want to resize it, and from here I want to change the font style, right? So click here, and from here you change the font style, right? And you also search the font style, double click on it, right? And then search the font style. First remove it. So write your favorite font style name, right? So select the Arial, right? And from here you also select the preset, the word art, right? And then change the color. So I change the color. You also change that color, select the preset, and this that color, right? You also use music from here, right? But I does not use music in my videos, right? So then for click here and then play it. So it is my the opener of my video, right? And now from here I drop my video, right? Now I again play it. The opener is ready. Install Filmora 13 course. From here you also use the transitions, right? So click on the transitions, and from here download the transition. I have also downloaded in the favorites, right? So from here I apply that transition, right? So drag and drop it and apply it, right? Now again play it the video, right? And then from here click on the export button and export your videos, right?